What is your name?
Chacha.
What is your papa name?
Kumar.
What is your mummy name?
Cheta.
What is your sister name?
Janita.
How old are you?
Georgia.
What is your mother tongue?
Kannada.
Where do you live?
Bangalore.
Which is our country?
India.
Which is our capital?
Dundee.
National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Pico.
National fruit?
Mango.
National flower?
No touch.
National currency?
No touch.
Lotus. National currency?
No peach.
National flag?
Tiranga.
National tree?
Quantity.
National river?
Ganga.
National anthem?
Janamanagana.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Who is the father of our nation?
Gajiji.
How many fingers are there in your hands?
10.
Colors are there in rainbow?
China.
Who written the book Grandparents' Bag of Stories?
Narendra Modi.
Hey.
Chandramurti.
Which animal is known as sheep of the desert?
Camel.
Half moon is in which shape?
Kitchen.
Dog starts from the letter.
D.
What is the color of strawberry?
Red.
Which is our state?
Karnataka.
Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka?
Umai.
In traffic signal, red indicates.
Chop.
Yellow,
Nari.
green,
Go.
days in a week. Sunday, Monday.
Send. And. Tuta. Betita. Tata. Sada. Saturday.
Opposites. Slow,
Fat.
close,
Upon.
good,
What?
go,
Come.
off,
On.
small,
Big.
sad,
Happy.
stand,
Sit.
up,
Down.
hot.
Cold.
We listen sounds with our,
Yeah.
we feel touch with our,
Chin.
we smell with our,
Head.
we taste with our,
Tongue.
we can see with our,
Egg. Puppy. Big Merge. Daughter. Bed. Chota Bean. Taman Jerry. Paper Town. Ananata. Paper Town. Natara Bean.
okay.
Gajiji. Sudamati. Ayandamadi. Ambit. Other kitchen. Chundabot. Arugandana. Adakaram. Kumar. Chindagad. Bumayi. Indra Gandhi. Nero.